Hello, welcome back to another episode from the workshop. Just a quick video, another little DIY, little hack if you will, of how to solve things. Now I'm busy with a microwave that has a little bit of a problem at the bottom, so I'm respraying it, but the paint actually dried inside the nozzle, not the nozzle, this piece. I'm using this can because this one I fixed and it's working again. Yes, I'm not taking the top off again. It's working now. So this is the same idea thing of this one. It's the same nozzle at the top, basically. So what happened was this little thingy there got clogged, and I could push down on it and nothing happened. So I've tried figuring out what to do. Obviously, I went to clean this nozzle first, and that's easy enough. A needle or thin piece of wire or something, just go through and get it fixed. Then I thought, if it has compression coming out, I wonder if compression going in might sort it out. So I took hold of the bottle, pushed this nozzle on top of that nozzle, and went, and it worked clearly. So that's how you fix inside nozzle mechanism thingy. You take your compressor, pop it on there and go, and then hope you don't overinflate and explode the can, because that would be bad. So if you do try and do it, use a low PSI. I used 4 bar. I don't know if that's what that is in PSI, but anyway, don't overinflate the can. It will go pop and then you'll be whatever color you're busy with. So there's that, and have fun and God bless, and we'll see you in the next video if I get to it.